Hi friends, welcome back to Curbside Crafts. I'm your host this week, Miss Sarah, and our theme this week is butterflies. Butterflies are one of my favorite creatures, and we're going to read one of my favorite books. It's called The Very Impatient Caterpillar by Ross Barak. Let's start. Hey, what are you guys doing? We're going to metamorphosize. Meta, what now? Transform into butterflies? I knew that. Right, right. Wait, you're telling me I can become a butterfly? Yes. With wings? Yes. For real? Yes. Wait for me! Now what? Build your chrysalis. Chrysalis. Right, right. I knew that. What? How did you do that? Is it a spin or more of a twirl? Am I a butterfly yet? Ugh. Now what? Just be patient and let nature take its course. Patience. Right, right. I got this. Am I a butterfly yet? No. How about now? No. Now? No. Be patient. I have a question. Not yet. You don't even know what I was going to ask. Fine. Ask. How's your day going? Also, am I a butterfly yet? No. Just be patient. Shh. We're trying to metamorphosize. Okay, okay. Obviously, I know this, but do you know how long this takes? 2 weeks. Right, right, 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Oh, what am I going to do in here for 2 weeks? Can I get a comic book or something? What if I need the bathroom? Anyone want to play a game? What if I want a snack? Hello, 2 pizzas, please. My address? A chrysalis. Click. Hello? How long have I been in here? It's still day one? This is taking forever. That's it. I feel metamorphosized enough. Look out, world. Feast your eyes on this beautiful butterfly. How do I look? Transformed? Time to spread my wings and fly. Wait! Where are my wings? Splat. Time for a new approach. Okay, you can do this. You can be patient. Oh, who am I kidding? I can't be patient. Get a grip. You can. I can't. I can't. You are the little caterpillar that could. I am the little caterpillar that couldn't. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. Can't. I can be patient. Patience is all in the mind. Be one with the chrysalis. Deep breath in and out. Look, day 6. I'm doing it. Just be patient. Just be patient. 2 weeks later. I did it! I'm a butterfly! I do feel transformed. Starting now, I'm going to be way more patient. That's great. Hey, where are you all going? We're migrating. Migrating. Right, right. Wait for me. Are we there yet? Ugh. That was a funny story, wasn't it? Now that our story is over, it's time to do our crafts. So when you picked up your craft bag this week, you should have a wooden butterfly photo holder, a butterfly that you can color in, a pack of markers, a plastic clear butterfly that's going to become like a sun catcher, a stained glass sun catcher, and a scratch art butterfly. So I started working on mine. Your markers will work for everything except your scratch art. So I started to color mine, and I kept it simple, and I just colored one color in each of the empty spots. But if you like polka dots or stripes or stars, you can make whatever you would like your butterfly to look like. Just quickly use my markers to finish mine up. And voila, I have a butterfly. I also started working on my photo holder. I'm going to finish up 2 last things to show you. And your markers, like I said, work for all of these projects. And it's very easy to use. Mine, I made polka dots on the wooden one. Your stained glass one, your markers are going to work on it, but don't be worried if you don't see your markers showing up really bright like they do on your paper and your wood. Because what's going to happen is when it's really sunny out, the sun will shine through it and you'll see beautiful colors coming out of your butterfly. And then your scratch art is just a butterfly shape, and it has a little scratcher pencil on the back. You're going to take your pencil off and just use it like you would a pencil or a crayon. And scratch out whatever design you think your butterfly needs. And underneath, you're going to see a rainbow of colors. You see that, boys and girls? The colors come out as you scratch. The best thing about your wooden photo frame is the little antlers, or antenna, I should say. The antenna of your butterfly can hold pictures of your family and friends, or it can hold your artwork. You're just going to tuck your artwork right into the curly cues of the antenna, and all of your butterfly work is on display. I hope you had a really fun time listening to The Very Impatient Caterpillar and making your butterfly crafts. And I hope we'll see you at the library soon. Come by and get some books.